Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Lai. In lesson 14, you will learn chemical bond. You will learn formation of the compound and what is ionic bond. A compound is a chemical substance which consists of two or more elements chemically bonded together. Example, we have sodium chloride and HCl, water HCl, methane CH4, and carbon dioxide. Normal gas exists as monoatomic gas. Mono means one, means alone, which are chemically unreactive because of their stable octet or duplet electron arrangement. Octet means they are always in 8 electrons at the valence shell, and duplet is maximum 2 electrons. Okay, so atoms of other element will form chemical bond among each other to achieve a more stable electron arrangement, such as noble gas. We know group 18, noble gas. Chemical bond can be formed by transferring of electron or sharing of the electron. When transfer the electron, we call this ionic bond. When sharing the electron, we call this covalent bond. Ionic bond is the transfer of electron between atoms of metal and non-metal. The metal atoms always donate electron to the non-metal, while the non-metal atoms always receive electron from the metal atom to achieve stable electron arrangement. The metal atoms donate electron will form a positive ion we call cation, while non-metal atoms receive electron will form negative ion we call anion. There are strong electrostatic force between the positive ion and the negative ion. Now, I would like to share you a video about ionic bond. Let us see how the cation is formed. I will give you the example of the aluminum atom. For the aluminum atom, proton number is 13, so we have the electron arrangement 2.8.3. The charge for the 13 protons is positive 13. The charge for the electron is negative 13. So positive and negative, minus and plus, so the charge will be no more charge, zero charge. How about the aluminum ion? Aluminum ions, because of 3 plus, that means the 3 electron already been donated. So the electron arrangement will be only 2.8. The charge for the 13 protons still maintain 13 positive charge, but the negative charge will become 10 only. So the total charge will be positive 3. That's how the positive 3 come. You have to learn how to correct the half equation. For this half equation, aluminum becomes aluminum 3 plus. So you have to show aluminum donate electron. Donate electron means the electron have to be your right hand side after the arrow. So the aluminum donate electron, the aluminum donate 3 electron, so aluminum becomes 3 plus ion. Formation of the anions, negative charge. We will use the example oxygen atom. Oxygen atom have the 8 protons, so the electron arrangement will be 2.6. So the charge for the positive 8 proton will be positive 8. The charge for the electron will be negative 8. Total 0 charge. How about the oxide ion? Electron arrangement will be 2.8 because extra 2 is come from the metal. The oxygen will receive 2 ions, will receive 2 electrons. So the charge for the will be positive 8. and the electron will be -10. So total charge will be -2. So because the oxygen is nonmetal, nonmetal receive electron. When you receive electron, the electron you have to write in the left hand side. So you have to write in the left hand side. You can see the half equation, oxygen atom receive 2 electron will form oxygen 2 negative charge ion. Now we will learn how to write the half equation for cation and anion. For the lithium, you can see lithium metal. From lithium atom donate 1 electron, it will form lithium positive charge. So on with sodium atom donate 1 electron, it will form sodium positive charge. Then how about the negative charge ion? Fluorine. Fluorine is a non-metal, so fluorine always receives the electron. When fluorine atom receives 1 electron, it will form fluoride ion with negative charge 1. Same with the chlorine atom. When chlorine atom receives 1 electron, it will form chloride ion. So on and so on. It's very simple. First, you have to know metal always donate electron. So they will form cation with positive charge, while non-metal always receive the electron, so they will form anion with the negative charge. So for the SPN essay question, describe the formation of the magnesium oxide. The question deserves for 10 marks. So you have to describe how the chemical bond is formed. Magnesium and oxide, magnesium metal, oxide non-metal. Metal plus non-metal will form ionic bond. First, I will answer in this way. Electron arrangement of the magnesium is the electron arrangement. You must give the answer step by step. So 2.8.2. Point 2, a magnesium atom donate how many electrons? 2 electrons. To achieve the very stable electron arrangement we call octet form, which is 2.8. Okay, you explain very well, very easier to understand, and show the electron arrangement. Magnesium ions 2 plus is formed. So you will show the half equation like just now we learned. Magnesium donate 2 electron become magnesium 2 plus. Electron arrangement for the oxygen atom is 2.6. Just now you mentioned about magnesium. Now you are talking about oxygen. So electron from the magnesium just now you have 2 electron you donate. Now we will transfer to the oxygen atom. So point 7, an oxygen atom receive electron from the magnesium atom to achieve the very stable octet electron arrangement, which is 2.8. Just now we mentioned about octet. Octet, when you form octet means you very stable already. 2.8 already stable. So the oxide ion 2 negative is formed. The half equation you have to know how to write, because you receive 2 electrons, then you become O2 negative charge. So you summarize magnesium ions 2 plus and oxide 2 negative ions are attracted to one another to form an ionic compound we call magnesium oxide. So this compound is called ionic compound. The force between two opposite charges we call electrostatic force, because they are positive charge and negative charge. And this bond we call ionic bond. If you want to explain by using diagram, it's better, because sometimes the question we're asking show and describe by using diagram. So I will let you see how the magnesium and oxygen will form together. As you can see, the magnesium atom, you have to draw 2.8.2. So you have 3 shells. So extra 1 electron, extra 1 electron, donate to the oxygen atom. Oxygen atom receive. So receive means you have to show 2 negative charge. Okay, typing error. How about the magnesium? Because you donate 2 positive, you donate 2 electron, you will form 2 positive. Simple. Okay, let's try example 2. Describe the formation of the potassium oxide. This is for 10 marks. First point, explain electron arrangement of the potassium is 2.8.1. A potassium will donate 1 electron. Use the keyword donate, or you can use the keyword transfer. Okay, to achieve a very stable octet electron arrangement, which is 2.8. So potassium ions is formed, positive charge. Half equation for the potassium atom, potassium will donate electron to form K plus, donate. Always remember, electron donate, you put at the right hand side. Electron arrangement for the oxygen atom, you must mention atom is 2.6. So electron from 2 potassium atom, because 1 potassium atom donate 1. 2 will give you 2 electron. A transfer to the oxygen atom. Point 7, you can see an oxygen atoms will receive the electron from 2 potassium atom to achieve the very stable, just how we say, octet electron arrangement, which is 2.8. So now you can see oxide to O2 negative charge ion is formed. The half equation, because you receive 2 electrons, you will form O2 negative. The 2 potassium ions, K plus, and the 1 oxide ion will form together. So they are attracted to one another to form an ionic compound, which is potassium oxide, K2O. The very strong electrostatic force between these 2 opposite charges, positive and negative charge, we call ionic bond. As just now, you have to draw a diagram showing how the potassium oxide is forming. So for potassium oxide, because you can see you have 2 potassium, so you can draw 1 at the left hand side, another 1 potassium at the right hand side. both come with the positive charge, and the oxide ion will be in the middle because it receives 2 electrons, so you will put 2 negative charge. So this is oxide. This is the potassium. You can put in the middle the element from formula KOK. So after the lesson just now, you will learn already what is chemical bond. So chemical bond is the bond formed between the atoms which are transferring the electron or sharing the electron together to form a compound. State give 2 types of the chemical bond. We have ionic bond and covalent bond. Why noble gas does not form compound? So you know noble gas because they already achieve duplet or octet electron arrangement, which are very stable and do not react with other atoms. Is the electron arrangement of the sodium atoms sodium stable? No. Explain how it can become stable. So the answer is not stable because sodium atom has the electron arrangement of 2.8.1. So it have to donate 1 electron to become octet form. Okay, so this is the answer for just now, practice 5.1. For the practice 5.2, you can try at your own. So we have 2 questions only, question 1 and 2. So together also come with the answer at the back. So make sure you have do all the question, and I hope you can understand about this chapter about what is chemical bonds and how the ionic bonds is formed. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.